all of you. Today we will see our last point, single line diagram of electrical system. This figure shows single line diagram of typical power system right from generating station up to the utilization of this electrical energy. During this, electrical power flows from different stages. First is a generating station. The electricity is generated at generating station at a level of 11 kV. Electricity is generated at 11 kV. That electricity is generated at this generating station using this as generator or alternator. AC generator is called as a alternator. Then primary transmission system includes the power of 11 kV. That generated 11 kV is fed to the step up transformer. It is fed to the step up transformer to step up the voltage up to 220 kV, 440 kV and so on. Okay, then that is called as a generating substation. That is called as a generating At generating substation, 11 kV is fed to the step up transformer, and that voltage is stepped up to the 132 kV, 220 kV or 440 kV. This power is at high voltage is transmitted to nearby areas of the through the transmission lines, and that is received at receiving substation. Okay, in primary transmission system, generated voltage is fed to the step up transformer, and that voltage is stepped up to the 132, 220 or 440 kV voltage, and that voltage is transmitted up to the receiving substation. That in the receiving substation, that 220 kV voltage is fed to the step down transformer. Again, that voltage is stepped down up to 66, 33, 22 kV voltage at this receiving substation. Then add in the secondary transmission system, that 33, 22, 66 kV voltage is transmitted up to the substation, and that is fed to the step down transformer. Again, that 66 kV, 32 kV and or 22 kV, 22, 33, 66 kV voltage again step down up to the 11 kV voltage. Then that 11 kV power is reduced up to the 3-phase 440 volt and single phase 230 volt. And then this in this distribution substation. Okay, in this primary distribution system, that 11 kV is fed to the 11 kV feeder, and that 11 kV is also fed to the step down transformer, and here 11 kV is stepped down up to the 440 3-phase and 230 volt single phase supply. This power is then distributed to different consumers through the servicemen, and this part is said as a secondary distribution. This is called as a secondary distribution. This 440 volt 230 volt 3-phase supply, 440 volt 3-phase supply and 230 volt single phase supply is distributed to all the servicemen wherever required. This is nothing but single line diagram of the electrical system. In this way, generated electricity is transmitted, distributed and supplied to the servicemen. This is the single line diagram of the electrical system. Here this system works in 3 or 4 part. Here primary, first is the in 5 parts here. First is the electricity generated, then primary transmission, secondary transmission, primary distribution and secondary distribution. Here it is written. Here generated, then primary transmission takes place, secondary transmission takes place, then primary distribution takes place, then secondary distribution takes place. Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you all of you.